Paano mo ma-attain yung life of abundance kung kokonti lang naman yung hawak mong pera or resources? Nilinaw ni Lord yung tamang approach. Ang sabi niya, I came that you might have life and life more abundantly. The thief came to steal, kill and destroy. Sabi niya, no? John chapter 10 verse 10. So, pag-isipan mo to. If you look at your resources, the limited money that you have, then what you see is scarcity o yung kakulangan mo. Kasi nakatingin ka na lang doon sa kaya mong gawin base sa hawak mong pera. Money highlights your scarcity. It magnifies what you can do. But if you look up to God, that He can help you change your situation, and you look up to God as somebody who is so abundant, walang kakulangan, and put your life under Him, makikita mo, you will begin to see that what you have is abundance. If you enter a relationship with God, what you will have is abundance. So you start from there. Instead of looking at what you have as your only source, look at God as your source. And therefore, dun mag-uumpisa yung life of abundance mo.